everyone. In the last video, we have started discussing valence bond theory and we have discussed the formation of hydrogen molecule. In that, what we have discussed is that when hydrogen atoms they approach each other, the interactive forces they come into existence, and attractive forces they are more in number as compared to repulsive forces. And experimentally it was observed also that if we plot a graph between potential energy and the internuclear distance, it was observed that with the decrease in the internuclear distance, the potential energy was also decreasing. And one of the assumptions of this theory was that formation of bond leads to the release of energy, which leads to the formation of bond. Now, due to the release in energy and due to the attractive forces, the hydrogen bond was formed between hydrogen atoms and it leads to the formation of hydrogen molecule. Extending the same concept that if two atoms approach each other, their orbitals merge. For this, recapping a previous topic that in an atom, shells they are there. Those shells they contain subshells. In subshells there are orbitals and electrons they reside in those orbitals. This we have done in quantum numbers कि एटम के अंदर shells होती हैं, shells के अंदर subshells, subshells contain orbitals and in those orbitals the electrons they are there. And when the atoms they approach each other, the electrons they are there in the atomic orbitals only. And the sharing of the electrons leads to the merging of atomic orbitals. Suppose hydrogen atom and this is the other hydrogen atom. इसकी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन है 1s1, इसकी भी क्या होगी 1s1. Now we also know that the shape of s orbital is spherically symmetrical. If the shape of s orbital is spherically symmetrical and they are approaching each other, means they will overlap like this. These are the nuclei and this is the overlapping of s orbitals which are containing one electron each, which leads to the pairing of the electrons when they get merged into each other. This merging of orbitals is known as overlapping of orbitals. जितनी ज़्यादा overlapping होगी उतना ज़्यादा bond strong होगा. Then it was observed that overlapping of orbitals leads to the formation of two types of bonds, that is sigma bond and pi bond. Now what this sigma bond and what pi bond is? Sigma bond is formed by head-on overlap and pi bond is formed by side-wise overlap. For head-on overlap, suppose this is s orbital and this is p orbital. For the head-on overlap, this s orbital it will overlap with p orbital like this, or we can say that this s orbital overlaps with this orbital. S orbital because it is spherically symmetrical, तो ये कहीं से भी ओवरलैप कर ले उसे हम हेड ऑन ओवरलैप ही कहेंगे, क्योंकि इसको ये कहीं से भी ओवरलैप करेगा तो ना इसका कोई हेड है ना टेल है. In the same way, if p orbitals they will overlap showing the head on overlapping, then it will be like this. For sidewise overlap, this is the p orbital, another p orbital will overlap it like this. एक p orbital उसके ऊपर दूसरा p orbital overlap कर लेगा, then it is known as sidewise overlapping. Now on the basis of this, we are going to differentiate between sigma bond and pi bond. Sigma bond it is formed by head-on overlap of atomic orbitals. It is formed by side-wise overlap of atomic orbitals. Next is sigma bond. इससे पहले हमने किया कि सिग्मा बॉन्ड कैसे कैसे बन सकता था जब दो s ऑर्बिटल्स हेड ऑन ओवरलैप कर रहे थे या दो p ऑर्बिटल्स कर रहे थे या s और p कर रहे थे, तो उससे क्या बन रहा था सिग्मा बॉन्ड. लेकिन पाई बॉन्ड के लिए हमने क्या देखा था कि p ऑर्बिटल्स दे वर ओवरलैपिंग साइडवाइज, क्योंकि s ऑर्बिटल अगर उसके साथ इन्वॉल्व होगा तो वो हेड ऑन ओवरलैप ओवरलैप में कंसिडर हो जाएगा या उसकी प्रॉपर ओवरलैपिंग नहीं होगी. सो मीन्स फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड एस 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 पी 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 means S and P all orbitals they can lead to the formation of sigma bond. pi bond हमेशा किस में बनेगा? p orbitals में ही only, p p overlap ही होगा, तो इसमें s orbital involve नहीं होगा. Third is sigma bond is formed first followed by pi bond. Suppose if we take the example of carbon carbon single bond and carbon carbon double bond. In carbon carbon single bond, always the bond which is formed is by the head on overlap first. तो it will lead to the formation of sigma bond. जब pi bond, जब double bond बनना है तो उसमें पहला bond हमेशा sigma bond बनेगा, which is followed by sidewise overlap leading to the formation of pi bond. In the same way, for triple bond between the carbon atoms, the first bond which is formed it is sigma bond and the other two which are formed they are pi bond. इसी के बेसिस पर नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस हो गया कि सिग्मा बॉन्ड विल ऑलवेज बी 1 इन नंबर एंड पाई बॉन्ड कैन बी मोर देन 1. सिग्मा बॉन्ड इज ऑलवेज 1, इट कैन बी मोर देन 1. ये एक भी हो सकता है, एक से ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. And the next point of difference is that sigma bond is stronger as compared to pi bond. इसीलिए कार्बन कार्बन सिग्मा बॉन्ड पहले बन जाता है क्योंकि ये स्ट्रॉन्गर होता है, तो इसलिए डबल बॉन्ड की पॉसिबिलिटी हो या ना हो, सिंगल बॉन्ड ऑलवेज रिमेन. दैट इज द रीजन दैट सो मेनी कार्बन कंपाउंड्स दे आर अवेलेबल. तो कार्बन कार्बन सिंगल बॉन्ड इज मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर एज कम्पेयर टू पाई बॉन्ड्स. जब कभी रिएक्शन होना हो तो उसमें पाई बॉन्ड्स पहले और इजीली टूट जाते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू सिग्मा बॉन्ड. सो इन दिस वे VBT हेल्प्स टू एक्सप्लेन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल. अब बिकॉज हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल इज अ डायटोमिक मॉलिक्यूल, हेंस इन दैट केस द ओवरलैप ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स वाज इंपॉर्टेंट. उसमें एनर्जी लोअर होनी चाहिए और एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स ओवरलैप हो गए, इट विल लीड टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ molecule. But in case of polyatomic molecules, only the overlap of orbitals wasn't sufficient. The shape of molecule was also equally important. For example, in case of methane, CH4, as we know that the shape of methane is tetrahedral. So only the concept of atomic orbitals is not sufficient to explain the molecule of CH4. Here the shape is also important. For that the new concept of hybridization was introduced, and in the next video we are going to discuss that very important topic, that is hybridization. Thank you.